Hello guys, welcome back. So can you hear me right now? Much better. Yeah, I don't know what kind of problem I had before. It it says like issue with my internet, but I feel like my internet is okay because I can see everything on my phone, for example, and I even check another YouTube on my computer. It was kind of strange. Okay, guys, sorry about this. I just started. How are you guys? How is your morning so far? Mm-hmm. Quick analysis on gold. So we're still trading inside consolidation on high time frame. We finally reach buy side liquidity rate over here. We still have a fair value gap higher, but we need to get reaction from this buy side liquidity lower back to overnight discount range. I'm going to show you right now. So as you can see, once again, we hit buy side liquidity level. It's about to offer potential sweep. On 4 chart, on hourly chart, it's already offered sweep, and on 30-minute chart. So in order to confirm like overall high time frame structure for move lower, yeah, Nvidia did absolutely nothing. For to drop to this level, we need to get 15-minute order block, right? So switching on 15-minute chart, we have 15-minute OB over here, right? So basically right now we have potential for sweep confirmed by 15-minute OB. That's perfect. This means we would like to see at least attempt to go lower where we have some low resistance to downside and we want to aim for some liquidity levels lower. Let me just move a little bit to the left. Some liquidity levels lower, and at this point, if it wants to drop, I would like to see it invalidates 50% of this order block. So I mean that price right now, like right now, should try to break below 54. And at this point, we will get another short opportunity to aim for sell side, both sell side liquidity levels here and here. So far we have potential hourly sweep and 30-minute sweep. This means we can switch on 5 or 3-minute chart and try to find the entry. So this means entry is going to be, like once again, let me show you. We got potential sweep, we got move down. So basically we got continuation pattern and setup occurred right at next candle. So potential sweep candle did not offer any setup simply because it was consolidation. This means I would like to see an attempt to drop, so stop loss above OB, to 50% of our, I know it's not like to R, but I would like to see an attempt to drop to 50% of our order block. Of this order block, let me hide my drawings, guys. It's propulsion block. So from this high to this low, I would like to highlight 50%, and 50% is going to be mean threshold. So basically, I can understand NQ. Yeah, NQ is garbage. So basically, normally mean threshold or 50% of order block is support or resistance level. So at this point, it's support level. And that's why I would like to see an attempt right now, maybe not right now, but to offer move like this. Guys, I'm a bit sick today. I'm so sorry about this. How we participate in giveaway? I will send you the form, Google form. You just need to fill this form and that's it. Let's check what we have on silver. Nothing. CL, we analyzed this yesterday. So CL offered for our shift finally. So let's see if we pump to partial level. And then I'm not sure about final target. It's always hard to predict something, but like something big, right? But buy side liquidity is going to be final TP. Right now, since we got flower shift, I would like to see pump to this level. Yes, killed you yesterday. What happened? Share with me. I wasn't interested in trading CL yesterday. All I was waiting for is for a shift. So basically changing the state of delivery and the setup. So as I said, it's like more swing idea, probably. I guess we need to get some sort of bad news in the world to see this pump, right? But yeah, something like this. But it's like more swing idea, probably. So basically, you decided to short once we got for our bullish order block, right? Oh, you're talking about, yeah, I got winning trade last night on gold. Posted executions on Twitter. So you asked me why I didn't short what time? You said at 7. What we had at 7? What did you see at 7 p.m.? Just tell me, we will try to compare this. I got the short. If you want to see my executions, I posted on Twitter. I entered over here and it just closed at this candle. So because my order wasn't filled at this low for some magical reason, I guess because of spread, bid ask, right? But it was filled here. I just went to bed and yeah, it was nice trade. Yeah, just 7 points, but still, I still consider this as a good trade, especially for Asia. I'll check in queue, maybe. You took a buy. Oh, nice trade as well. I was sleeping, I didn't even see. We got something like potential sweep. Let's see. I didn't even check this. Oh, you took this one? Oh, that's brilliant then. You got even better risk reward than me. Like, I love this way more. Oh, sorry about this. Because I risked like almost 4 points on this trade. You got better than me. Yeah, good trade. Like, you never wasn't draw down. I mean, me too, but it's also nice trade. Yeah, amazing trade. I trade between 7 and 10 p.m. Normally, like, I didn't have time to trade gold recently during Asia Kill Zone because of kids. But yesterday I had time, and I was like, let me check. I entered the trade. I even forgot about this like for a moment because I needed to put my kids to bed, and then I checked like it was I was still in trade, and I went to bed, woke up, I was like, okay, perfect. I mean, gold is nice always, but not during PM session. So I would say Asia, London, New York AM session is good, but PM session is garbage. And this trade so far. So we just swept this 50% of our deferred value gap, trying to react, but still would like to see, since it's trying to break pretty much solid displacement, would like to see sell side over here. 1 hour, 30-minute potential sweep, that's right. I don't feel good today. Like, feel like I'm sick. I mean, I'm going to stick to gold this AM session. Then we will see. Okay? If you don't mind. So, discuss the strategy before. I'm sorry, guys. So, guys, today's giveaway is straight to funded accounts giveaway. I hope you're gonna like this. If I see, let's say I see potential hourly sweep and 30-minute sweep, I will pick 30-minute sweep because 3-minute order block gives me normally less risk. Not always, but often, right? So let's see if we get another move down over here. Because this sell side right at 2R, but see this reaction from mean threshold of our order block. That's great. Today is Tradify straight to funded accounts. We can do my funded futures, but not today, okay? But I will do this. Don't worry about this. just not today. I like my phone. So far so good. You know, while we are waiting, I still have like 2 phones, Samsung phones. Let me give me 1 second. I'm going to show you right now. I already showed this yesterday. So I currently use Fold 6, I guess. Yes, Fold 6, previous version. But I bought Fold 7. And I like this way more. Like, it's amazing. It's amazing. So I just need to, like, you know, find all passwords from my apps to transfer all data there. So I like this way more. It's like compare. Give me 1 second. I'm going to give like. So where's cameras? Like compare, guys. See the difference? Like twice. See this? But yeah, I like this more. I have 2 right now, but when I saw this phone, I was like, no, I need to get this. Yeah, it's so thin. So yeah, it's light. Like it's like twice. It's so heavy, by the way. I know, like, see this? It's crazy, right? But I like this. I bought the case yesterday because I'm Dasha. So I want to use this without case, but then I realized, like, come on. You believe in yourself? Come on, Dasha. Yeah, for trading, yes, it's easy to use it. Let me show you. I don't have TradingView on this phone yet because I need to find passwords. Let me show you. It's like mini charts, like mini tablet, right? I can just draw something here. It's nice. I like it. Yesterday I traded on my phone. It's, where's my, okay, I will not find it. But for example, if I want to compare with like regular Samsung phone, I have like, I know which one it is, but compare the charts like size, right? But yes, it's nice to use this for trading. I like it. But I'm ready to say this, guys. I like this way more than iPhone so far. Yes, Funding 6 running 50% off right now, so I trade straight to funded from them. 50% off on all accounts sounds like a deal, guys. What do you think about this? On my watch, I bought like Samsung watches, version 8, I guess. But yeah, guys, I'm not Apple. I still Apple user. I still have like laptop, tablet, but I don't have phone anymore. I don't use watches. I even like bought Samsung headphones. Yeah, I will share and pin the message with Google form to participate in giveaway. Exactly. Let's see if we may get like this 2-hour trade, but so far, absolutely in love with this reaction from min threshold of hourly order block. As I said before, I'm not missing. I just bought them. Like I'm like Samsung user, guys. Switch, completely switch. So as I said before, normally min threshold, especially of high time frame order blocks, is support or resistance level. In Q's choppy, guys, it's you. It's not me. You force me to check in Q every single time. Then I cry after Steam because I trying to take stupid trades. Don't do this. Let's stay on gold for now, please. It's because of you, not because of me. Even yesterday, who traded Asia on NQ? Like, come on, gold was 10 times better, 20 times better. Negative discount, I'm fine with this, so I don't really care about this. As long as it works for you, you can make money from this. If it's negative, it's negative. That's fine. This month was hard. I agree with this. All right, okay. Connecting accounts. Funding 6 accounts. Because, guys, 50% off on straight to funded. I mean, all accounts from Funding 6. It's a deal. You trade euro? Nope, I don't. I'm happy with my, like overnight trade. So happy I never was in drawdown. I like it. Guys, see how we're trying to spec this? We have some sort of SMT right now, these lows. Let's see what will happen next. Talk about, right? I don't want to talk about like potential SIP since like I feel like, yeah, it can be valid long trade because we're trying to respect the 50% of hourly OB. But the issue is I don't like how order block looks so far. Let's see how 5-minute chart. Maybe. Yeah, on 5-minute chart, we still don't have 5-minute OB. But once again, I don't really need to see sell side over here. I'm totally fine with this. What I want to see is this move. As I said before, it's not going to be 2R, but sometimes it's not going to be 2R. So Funding 6 right now running 50% off on all accounts. This sale just 24 hours. This means it's going to end tonight, 11:59 p.m. Just in case you want to try Funding 6. Because, I trade straight to funded. I have zero issue with them. I only have the issue, maybe you can help me with this. For some magical reason, I cannot copy my trades on Funding 6. Why? I mean, I open my trade separately because when I'm trying to copy, it says like it says nothing. Just don't copy me. Maybe that's me. Maybe I'm doing something wrong because I have zero issue with other accounts. I'm not sure if it's me or Fanatics does not allow copy trading. I don't know. Maybe that's me. But for some reason, I execute like separately. I was trying twice yesterday and 2 days ago. I have issue every single time. I don't know why, what I'm doing wrong. No idea. But I cannot copy for some reason. Challenge accounts? I know, I bought like straight to fund it like 2 weeks ago. So I know. We can check. New York time, yes, exactly. 7 to 10 p.m. New York time. Yes, you can trade TradeView and TradingView. Just connect to your account. On gold, I trade only one setup, and that's it. Always same setup. Always. Like really, always. Depends on monthly fee. Like yes, they have monthly fee, but no activation fee. So they almost always run like 25% off. It's not going to be that expensive. But you know, guys, I always recommend to go with my funded futures, Tradify, and Take Profit Trader. So 3 top prop firms that I highly recommend to trade. Funded 6 quite new. I'm not saying they're bad, they're good because I trade with them. Like I have zero issue, I like it. But if you just started trading with prop firms, my funded futures, Tradify, and Take Profit Trader is way to go. I have nothing wrong. Like Dubstep is nice. I don't like their platform. That's it. If they had TradeView, like no issue, I would say like TradeView are the best platform. An evaluation like between 10-15 micros. I never like full port evaluations. I just don't see the reason. I trade exactly the same way. Even when I was trying to pass Epic's accounts, I trade with 3 minutes. I pass this within 2 minutes, but 3 minutes. It's not even full port, you know. Okay, guys, we got solid reaction. Let me delete this level. We got solid reaction from 50% of hourly OB. Also, we got retest of 4-hour order block over here, right? And I need to fix something right now. Just 1 second. Leader account. I will try to copy again, but not sure how it goes. Change leader account to another like account, finding 6 account. Let's see how it goes. Anyway, guys, we got the test of our order block. We got the test of mean threshold of hourly OB. That's already great. That's why I said I don't want to aim for sell side until we stay in weaken or staying above 50%. It's always support level. Yeah, it's like for scalp. That's why I said like no reason to aim for 2R. And I see absolutely nothing wrong with this. How I mark this? Of course. So see the sequence of down close candles. From this high to this low, I pulled projections, and here's 50%. That's it. But I do like this move, you know. On 3-minute chart, like as I said, I didn't like this on 3-minute chart. We actually got the closure. I will like this on 5-minute chart, most likely. It's going to be different entries. I'm not on trade, just saying. But on 5-minute chart, we just got change in the state of delivery. With closed eyes will aim for this level. I don't know about like risk here. Yeah, it's like 1.25. But with closed eyes, I would like to aim for our fair value gap. It's like untapped fair value gap, you know? Yes, exactly. Hourly OB, exactly. Just we need to get structure to confirm this retracement. It's 3-minute entry, here's 5-minute entry. Don't delete for now. Interesting, where is going to be 2 hour for gold based on 5-minute entry? Okay, what level we have at 73? Let me check. Oh, it's okay then. Yeah, it's already fair value gap. Nothing wrong. Like we have all support that turned into resistance. Right at 73.8. Resistance. Well, all right. Coincidentally, look at these 2 hour exactly at this resistance level. Let's see if I can get entry right now. I don't mind. Like, where's the minute fair value gap? Did not form here yet. Only fair value gaps that I can see so far is here. So okay, not know yet. CL kind of stuck. Feels like my chart is frozen because when I was checking last time it was 64.03 as well. Okay. Oops. Oh, by the way, guys, did you see what happened yesterday during earning? Remember we discussed this area yesterday that we want to see smart money levels from this area? And that's why all morning I was waiting for this area too long. And actually we got absolutely brilliant reaction yesterday from this area. We discussed this yesterday. And we took so far previous day high, data high, right? It's nice, right? I know, like everyone keeps saying like NQ is easier than gold, and I'm like, how? Why? Why it's easier? Just tell me. I don't see like NQ is easier than gold. Maybe that's me. Because I see setups on NQ harder than on gold. Maybe I overcomplicate something, like overthink. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, because on gold I always pretty much confident with my trades. But I cannot say same for NQ recently. I know why. It's like personal preference, I guess. For some people, gold is hard, but NQ is easier. It's opposite for me. NQ is hard, but gold is easier for me to trade. I always feel like I'm like relaxed when I'm in trade on gold. Even if it's going to be lost, my stop like usually 3-4 points. Even with 1 minute, that's not a lot. While on NQ, if I'm going to like, it's almost impossible recently to put your stop loss like 20-25 points. It's like 30-35 points. With 1 minute, it's a lot. Yeah, see? I know why. I just feel like it's... But I noticed, yeah, lots of people told me, like, after they watched this video that I explained how I trade gold, like setup, they said, yeah, gold is easier because it's pretty much straightforward. Let me say something. Because when I trade NQ, I always think like, maybe here they want to manipulate, like offer fake move before real move. Maybe here they want to like invert and reclaim fair value gap. Like lots of maybe when I'm trying to analyze NQ or ES. But I don't really have maybe when I trade gold. I traded gold during Asia kill zone. I showed executions on Twitter. So I know, like I just really how to turn off the sound. Oh, found it. So I just surprised to see how I don't have the word maybe, because for the last 4 or 5 months on NQ I had like the word maybe then more than for my entire NQ trading career. Sometimes, yes, sometimes. So, I don't really trade PM session on gold because 99.9% of the time it's slow. That's funny, by the way. Lots of people told me like gold is very manipulated. I was like, where? How? High frame range on gold is pretty much tradable. I'm just saying this. It's pretty much tradable. Oops. Once again, maybe that's me, but gold is easier, in my humble opinion. But yeah, I guess that's, like personal preference. Some people love this, some people hate this. I know. Let's see. I'm keeping my eyes right now on gold, preferably to retrace to 3-minute fair value gap, so engage. So I can engage on this trade. We have data high higher. Since ES took this level, let's see if NQ can take this level as well. Like 10 points away, 15 points away. Quite fast. Breaking the roof. Okay, let's go. Like, 100 points candle on 1-minute chart. I love it. Only 100 points candle on 1-minute chart. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to come back in a moment. And I missed nothing, right? This indicator showing high time frame. ICT high time frame candles by Fadi. So I keep my indicators like open so you can see the names. So nice move up, almost reach all-time high. Yes, again, that's crazy market. Seems like gold trying to respect upper 3-minute fair value gap. Okay. This one. But I wanted to see this one, honestly. Well, on 5-minute chart, maybe picture looks better. I feel like I would like to see validation this far fair value gap. I'm not sure about like move higher to this resistance level, to be honest. But this far fair value gap as untapped fair value gap seems good target. Let me switch on 5-minute chart to see what is going on. Okay. A bit choppy right now, maybe because we got big move before this. Yeah, and Q lower soon will be nice. Because, guys, you know, we just hit data high on NQ. ES approaching all-time high. If it's not like this, didn't take this. But let me guess. I cannot see the chart, by the way. YM already dropped. Am I right about this? YM dropped, like 101% YM dropped. Because we want to see lower, see? I didn't even see the chart. Because every single time when we want to long, ES and Q dropping, but YM goes up. It's crazy, just funny, by the way. Good rejection so far from this data high. Yeah, because it's classic. Look how close it was to all-time high, but failed. Let's see if gold can pump slightly higher. Forgot to connect my evaluation from my funded futures. Oh, got it. Scale plan. It's 1% fair value gap. You know, I don't trade 1% fair value gap, but I'm gonna check this right now. Like, okay, we have unicorn on 1-minute chart and Q for short. Okay, and Q only for evaluation. I told this myself yesterday. I'm going to trade in Q on evaluation account. One-minute breaker block. We chase a 3-minute fair value gap. Unfortunately, we don't have like sweep or something like this. For example, or 2-minute model to trade something on Q just yet. But for evaluation, I will be fine with this, you know. So waiting for the trade on gold as well. I hope to get something good. So right now, gold inside key area. So if it's going to invert this fair value gap, because I was watching this no, not this one. this one. I will not aim for, I will not be bullish for the day at all. But right now, we just retraced the fair value that I was waiting for. Let's see if we may displace immediately, because if so, I can try this. Yeah, I'm going to highlight on micro gold as well, because sometimes charts are different. Trying to give us reaction. I'm going to just quickly switch on 1 minute chart to see how good reaction. Pretty solid. Oh, 3 minute chart, sorry. The question if my displays right now. Trying. Also, we closed inside the 3 minute fair value gap, like previous one, upper one. Trying to respect 5 minute fair value gap and order block. That's actually good. I'm still just flat on gold, but I will take the trade. I will take the trade on gold if it's going to displace. Yep, let's see. If not, then it's okay. I already had overnight trade. I will be fine with this. Like, no complaints, you know. No, not in this long yet, just yet. Let's check silver real quick, because we may actually try to look something on silver. You know, silver looks bearish. No, not on Q. Silver. Thank you for reminding me. I know, like, I would like to see gold higher, as I said before, but silver, I would like to see silver lower. I don't think like that's important. But if silver can drop something like this, it will be nice. Maybe even lower. We have fair value gap here, like BPR, right? Maybe even lower. Good SMT at highs. Well, maybe something like this. Around like 1.3 R. I know, like, let's see which one I like more, gold or silver. Yeah, silver. Because gold is a bit more like bullish, right? Trying to displace. I'm wondering if I can long above this line, like long above blue line to aim for our fair value gap. 5-6 points straight. I don't see it short just yet on gold, just yet. Maybe if my, why I said it's order block and no one told me it's not order block. Maybe below fair value gap, I will change my mind, but I don't see the case for sure just yet once again. Maybe wrong once again. But above this blue line, I look for to enter long to aim for this fair value gap. I guess so. It will offer fresh order block, right? I'm just like thinking about overall structure. We really respect it. Like respect it. It's not like retracement, but they respected 50% of hourly OB. That's a good sign for move higher, I would say. It's okay. So at least we can compare our knowledge, right? And our opinion about the market. But probably, maybe you see something different, but I would like to probably short below 3-minute fair value gap. Not right now. Once again, I can be wrong about this, but I kind of would like to see, to try to long probably above blue line. Like closure above blue line will offer fresh order block. And just to scalp for 5-6 points. Thank you, MMXM. It's funny. So like short, like this, something. Or long, like this. I would say. Let's check silver because we want to see lower. We got just straight move down. Okay. It's not bad, but not using to engage yet. Yeah, went down. I see. Because if silver right now may offer SMT at lows to support potential long. But anyway, long above this, we need to get the closure first to consider long. Or in the 3-minute fair value gap to consider short. Finally? Yeah, finally. Hello. I'm a bit sick today, but that's okay, I guess. So we didn't close, so obviously it's not long. Just sitting inside, like it's kind of just area of decision, like indecision, right? Because I cannot long, I cannot short in this area, but probably we'll consider both the scenarios. Like if closes above, I will long. If closes below, I will short. Not really ICT. I mean, I do trade in Q, but I have not best performance there so far. I have 1 million trade on gold already during Asia kill zone. So I will look for another trade because why not? So different, really? Why? Just need to be patient right now and wait for a setup. I'm keeping my eyes right now on Q. Yes, it's garbage. Am I wrong about this? I don't think so. Oh, don't ask me about NQ just yet. We just focused right now on gold trade. Like this or even like this. It's pretty first scenario, yeah. Giveaway when? I will start giveaway in 10 minutes. Straight to funded accounts today for giveaway. You're welcome. Even if gold is bullish, can you see right now long setup? At those highs? This means futures can actually pump there. Trading in the zone. Hello? I guess I saw you yesterday. Yeah, just once again, to engage, I need to get order block. Oh, hit your break even. I hate it. I'm going to highlight, just since I'm going to execute on micro gold, I'm going to highlight order block there. Because sometimes we see order block on micro gold, but we don't see this on gold. But we don't have it anyway, just yet. Why is your chart so different? Why? I don't know why. Maybe because you use CFD, I use gold futures. Maybe that's why. Just would like to show you something. That's why I don't like NQ. Just for your information. See this garbage weeks? That's why. That's the main reason. Trying. Unfortunately, this candle is going to close in 2 minutes only. Just give me 3-minute OB. Please. And it will be set up. I think so, about set up. Our task is just to learn how to wait. At 9:30, I don't know why. What happened? Oh my god. It's so slow. One minute left. Please don't displace right now. We don't need like negative risk reward rate right now, please. Let's check 5-minute chart. It's going to be the same, I guess. Yes. What time is this? We got this on 5-minute chart? Oh, actually, we got this on 5-minute chart. We just got this on 5-minute chart, the setup. We still don't have this. Sorry, guys, lots of drawings, I know. On my bad. But we still don't have this on 3-minute chart, but we have this on 5-minute chart. That's 5-minute order block. I guess that's enough. Yeah, we got this on 3-minute chart as well. Like stop loss at this swing low. Target 68.1. It's like scalp for 5 points. Like this. Well, yeah, I cannot copy for some reason. It simply copy doesn't work for this funding 6. Okay, it's going to just one account trade. Just one account trade. So for some reason I cannot copy my trades. It's gold futures. Just one account trade. I cannot copy for some stupid reason. My bad, guys. Let's check micro gold. It's different, yeah, a little bit, right? Still would like to see like 68.1. We just took this highs. That's nice, by the way. I do like this highs, but would like to see for RPD retaking as well. Over here. Let's see if I get this. If not, then not. I mean, okay then. It's barely like 1.2 hour trade. Hello, my Russian friend. Hello. Yeah, a bit more than 1 hour for me. Let's see. I will take 19% off at this level at 68.1. Actually, at 68. Sometimes one tick difference, yeah. We leave like 2 micros at this trade to aim for this level, resistance level. Hey, did not hit. Micro gold a bit different. Go in. Okay, guys, 2 micros left. Let's see how it goes for the trade. Leaving 2 micros to this resistance level. Trading stop loss. Closed like almost everything at this level. 13 micros closed at this level. Only 2 micros left. Like quick scalp, right? Nice reaction. Look at this. I like it. Just 2 micros for fun to play with this. I'm not even sure we are going to reach this level. All of us aiming for, I'm up for $150, so 13 micros scalp on my straight to funded, leaving 2 micros just in case. I don't trade NQ. I mean, I do trade. I have bad results. I mean, like, I just made $450, guaranteed $450 on trade within like 3 minutes, 2 minutes, and with less, like, low stress. Like, no stress at all, right? Don't tell, guys, I switching on NQ because of you. It's you. It's not me. If I take classes on NQ, it's because of you. Because my performance is nice on gold, but not nice on NQ. It's my second winning trade, by the way, for the last 12 hours. Yeah, that's because of you. Don't force me to do this, please. If it's going to break above top of this fair value gap, I will move stop loss again. Will trail stop loss. Let's see. Or is he happy with trade anyway? Idea? Continuation as reaction from 50% of hourly order block. It was just scalp, so, but it's okay. I traded 15 micros. Close 13 micros already. 2 micros left for this resistance level, which I'm not sure at all. Like at all. But we may actually get this. Let's see. If so, then even better trade than I expected to get, right? Dun, dun. I like this scalp. I know it's not a lot of points, but still. It basically was like second stage of reaccumulation. Hello, Jack. You late today, right? Nice reaction. Absolutely in love with this reaction. Once again, two markers left as runner. I already got my money today on straight to fund account. By the way, I have two prop firms with straight to funded. It's Funding Six, which I trade right now, and TradingView. New funded challenge. Oh, interesting. Which prop firm you got? Which one? My funded teachers or take profit funded next? Okay. Okay, my runner stopped at break even, so I made $460 on this trade. Trading 15 micros. Nice scalp. Good scalp. Still happy with this trade. Oh, your country is restricted. Oh, okay. It was a trade. Used 5-minute order block, not 3. Yeah, good scalp, yeah. Especially like barely wasn't wrote down, like $460 for scalp, it's okay. Like 13 micros, basically. Mm-hmm. I still would like to see like attempt to push higher. I feel like it's not enough. The question is, can we pump to this resistance level? I know. You want to tell me like NQ dropped a lot? The joke. What? Well, it was like 1-minute unicorn, yes. Because on 2-minute chart we got absolutely nothing to trade, as well as we got nothing on 3-minute chart. I know. But you know, guys, I would rather to get like $460 within like 2-3 minutes with no stress than just sit okay in this trade to get like 100 points, but with stress, right? It's not for me. It's just one account, unfortunately, because I cannot copy for some magical reason. I know why. Most likely, you know what will happen most likely? I stop my runner and it will go to my final TP. This happens like 99% of the time with me. But still, guys, I would like to see. I know lots of drawings that's kind of annoying. Let's delete this one. No, this one. And switch on 3-minute chart. It's okay. Still happy with this trade. It wasn't a big deal. It was only 2 micros. Like, okay, I could make like $100 more. Yeah, I said I'm in this trade. set immediately once I enter the trade. It was 15 micros trade. I got 13 micros off on this level and then moved at break even. Just trailed my stop loss. I really wanted to trail my stop loss once we hit the top of this fair value gap higher to this week. But once again, it stopped me here, went to probably will go to TP. I know. Let's see. Oh, by the way, guys, let me open TradeZella to show you something. I just started. Because I'm working on a new video, how to trade gold. Actually, just covers this model. Let me show you. I'm going to log in right now. Yeah, you know, like after 10, like sometimes it's quite choppy. Like I need to be happy with my scalp. But okay, anyway. How can I show you this? How can I scroll this? Okay, over here. Okay, I just started new session for new video. It's going to be potential sweep 1 hour and 30 minutes. So basically, exactly I took 2 trades for the last 2 hours, 2 winners using this model. I just started like yesterday. I took only 13 trades so far. No data for some reason. Hey, where is my data? Well, it's from, yeah, from March. I just started, you know, guys. And it's on gold only and 30-minute or hourly sweeps. That's it. I trade not big size, mostly micro gold, but I will continue to, I'm not going to do backtest anymore here. It's going to be just for video. But I believe, yeah, like who cares about win rate with 13 trades? It's going to be less, obviously. But so far, I just take like similar trades, just testing this, backtesting this. So I will record new video about this model. I mean, like not new video. It's going to be just backtest session, maybe 1 hour video. Yeah, you said you want to see gold higher. I don't want to see higher as well. Why doesn't work? Where is my data? Oh, I had to refresh. Okay. Had to refresh. But anyway, like risk reward as always, like 2+ are still happy with this, you know, like results are great. Especially, I know the results are great because I take this on my funded accounts and yes, my results are great. Cannot say same for NQ, unfortunately. Yeah, I would like to see gold slightly higher. Honestly, I know it's just 2 micros, but I had to just leave my stop loss at the first place. I mean, like my first stop loss was at swing low over here. Just had to leave this. I just know probably it will go here. Forex, I don't trade forex, but I guess if you trade gold, like CFD, setup is going to be most of the time the same, just different price. You know, I trade like 15, 20 micros. Yesterday I traded 2 minutes during Asia kill zone. You know, I just know I don't trade. I don't trade this time already, and 15 micros was okay. You know, I made like $460 for the less than 3 minutes. I could make a bit more, but who cares? Like, it was just 2 micros trade over here, like 2 micros left of this trade. I'm still happy with this. Like, I mean, of course, you can trade like 3, 5 minutes. But I just started my straight to fund accounts. I need to build solid buffer. So no reason to increase contract size on new funded accounts just yet. Mm-hmm. if I like make like, let's say 7K or 10K on this straight to fund accounts, I can increase my size. So I will have like solid buffer, right? Just for now, I don't see the reason. Like on my personal account, yes, I trade 2-3 minutes. I have no problem with this. But new accounts, like it's still too risky. It's gold chart. Gold chart. If you live, you said like you new to prop firm. Where the first question? Where do you live? No, I'm not friend with NQ. Like guys, I would rather to scalp this, right, than this. Really, really. By the way, we have empty model for long. Just saying. But I'm not going to take this. Guys, don't force me to do this as well. Oh, India. So this means you probably cannot trade futures, right? You long? Oh, good job. I stopped trading in Q for now. Okay, guys, it's 10 a.m. Let me send you form to participate in giveaway straight to funded 25K accounts from Tradify. I'm going to send you form just in a moment. To participate in this giveaway, all you need just fill the form. And I will pick 2 winners today, and I will send you accounts today. I will send you coupon code. Guys, here's the form. I'm going to pin this message for now. If you would like to participate in giveaway, my bad, sorry guys. Fill the form. Straight to fund account. What do I mean by straight to fund? This means you don't need to pass evaluation. It will be funded account immediately. Well, it's kind of choppy, but I feel like it's slow delivery higher. Say let's go. Let's go. Can people, so if you click on this form, you will see the link for restricted countries. You need to check this. I believe no. But you need to check restricted countries first, because I can be wrong about this, because every platform has a different list. I believe no. Oh, actually you can. I'm checking restricted countries. Yes, you can participate. You can, because I don't see the country Indian restricted list. Participate. You can actually check this. Guys, when you click this form, you will see the link for restricted countries. It's going to be Tradify straight to funded. Let me check. Yeah, your country in restricted list, unfortunately. Yeah, I feel so bad today. I woke up, I was like, oh my god. So far, I have 2 winners this trade, and I took this trade, this one, scalp. But I don't mind to see resistance retest. It's kind of struggling, but let's hope it's going to pump higher. So yeah, it's an restricted list, unfortunately. Yeah, but thank you guys. Thank you. Guys, participate in giveaway. Straight to funded accounts for giveaway. I think pricing may actually continue going higher. Let's see. We got already continuation pattern on 30-minute chart. We're about to get, actually we already got on 5-minute chart as well. Yeah, I guess this one. Let's see if gold can support this order block to continue going higher. This one, so to continue going to this 73 level. He saw reaction from 3-minute fair value gap and 5-minute fair value gap. OB. Yeah, it's good. Let's see. It's 10:15. It's not macro anymore. Why don't trade forex? I mean, like why? Why I need to trade forex? So okay, guys, let's right now switch maybe on in Q because right now it's already wrong time to trade. You forced me to switch, but let's be serious, guys. It's time already to slow down for gold. Normally between like, yeah, after 10, 10, 15, 10, 30, it's becoming garbage. Like slow. But NQ, come on. Look at NQ price action so far. It's still like not the best. I mean, I'm happy, guys, if you were able to get this 1-minute unicorn setup. Check in 3-minute chart or 2-minute chart. It wasn't perfect initially. Come on, futures is way easier to trade than forex, I guess. I know. I'm so happy I decided to follow my rules today because guys, yesterday I even said this on Twitter. Like normally, I normally done before market open. Like today, I wasn't done before market open because I didn't see good trades yet. Before 9 a.m. And I was like, okay, if until 10 it will not present setup, I'm not going to trade at all on this account today. I have evaluation for NQ. Just in case I see setup, I will trade on evaluation. So nothing on funded accounts anymore. But let me switch. Evaluation only. I don't trust NQ yet. Let me switch on 2-minute chart. I can play with my evaluation in case like it wants to overstop for me. 5-minute chart. We have potential sweep on both sides. It's classic second history profile so far. Guys, if you just joined would like to participate in giveaway, I'm giving away two 25K straight to fund accounts. It deserves, like my funded futures running 33% off right now on their scale and pro plan. Come on, let's try this. I will buy more in case I'm wrong with my setup today. Lower it. Yeah, if I'm going to execute on NQ, it's going to be evaluation from my funded futures. Not going to touch funded accounts, just evaluation. I'm wondering about, like, okay, we have 2-minute OB. I would say it's still trying to respect this 2-minute fair value gap. We barely closed below this. Epic's 90% off. Really? Because if so, I'm going to buy this. Guys, I'm buying 90% off sale because I blew my accounts last week. Guys, let's buy 90% off on Epics. I'm going to buy 20 right now. Trade away. Woohoo! I'm going to buy. 90% off. Let's buy this. I blew 20 accounts last week, funded accounts. Epic just sent me email. Guys, it's extremely cheap. What? Guys, I just read this. Activation fee $85. Activation fee for 250K account $37. I'm buying 20 accounts. It's insane deal. It's 90% off right now. I'm buying. I need to pass 20 accounts. I need how long until September 2? So I have like couple of days to actually I can buy several, so I can actually full port this. $85 activation fee. It's cheap. IPEX just found out about my accounts. I blew them, so it's time to buy more. I'm buying right now. Wish me good luck with my gambling today. Maybe not today, but I will pass this. I hope for one day. They just find out about My losses. $37. Oh, it's cheap. Only yesterday I was wondering, come on, Apex, I need like 90% off. Normally it's like $150 activation fee. So wish me good luck. I will full port them. If Ron will buy a new set, it's cheap. So 90% off on Apex right now, guys. 85 activation fee for 50k and $37 for 250k. I will buy 50k as always. Trade away. Crazy Apex. At least good news. I'm going to have Apex again. Because I didn't see the reason initially to buy accounts for 80% off. Like, it didn't worth it, I guess. 15 minutes ago. They posted like 10 minutes ago. $85. It's okay, I guess. You know what I hate about Epics? So I cannot buy 20 accounts immediately. I need to buy one by one. It's so slow. It's extremely annoying. But it is what it is. Anyway, guys, I'm buying 20 TradeZella accounts. Wish me good luck to pass them quickly, so I don't need to waste my time on evaluation. Wish me good luck. I may actually full port them tonight. 90% off, yeah. Yeah, I just blew them last week. I was like, please, Epics, 90% off. I will buy again, like $85 activation fee. I will buy them. I could actually full port them today, but on Steam, but it's going to take at least 30 minutes to buy all 20 accounts. I will full port them tomorrow. Wish me good luck. I know that's not good to do, but wish me good luck. I will full port them tomorrow. Because it's yeah, we can actually I will full port. Just I know how it goes, but I hope it's going to be nice. I'm going to just trade Epics tomorrow, and I will try to pass this for a couple of minutes. In case I will fail, I will buy again. So yeah, full port them. No reason to buy right now, simply because it's going to take 40 minutes to buy all 20 accounts. They don't have the button like to buy 20 with one like click. Just need to click buy one, then another one, then another one. I can set brackets. I mean, like, I can trade CPI, I guess, like this, but no, I guess I'm not sure. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, make sure to fill the form. Straight to funded accounts for giveaway. It's a great deal for me from Epic simply because, once again, I just blew my 20 funded accounts. It's just a great deal for me. So let's see if we get strong closure below 2-minute fair value gap. It can be actually a short opportunity. I have evaluation from my funded futures that I can actually try to trade today. Don't blame NQ. It's a while, so I will be fine with this. I guess it's $18 per account. So, buying. Thank you guys for letting me know about the sale. It's solid deal. So we just got strong closure below the 2-minute fair value gap. Thank you for letting me know. You know, when I felt like they're going to run 90% off soon simply because yesterday 80% off, they did not extend 80% off. I was like, that's a sign. That's a sign. Anyway, I'm going to buy it right after Steam because it's going to take so much time to buy all these accounts. But you know, this 80%, $85 activation fee, it's okay. No complaints. By the way, I just checking gold right now. Gold stuck. So basically, my trade was okay. Like right now, no complaints. I went long on gold at order block, right? $50K, $50K, $100K, $150K accounts. It's time. Fortunately. Well, guys, I don't see continuation just yet to re-enter trade on gold. I still happy I closed here, so I'm in here. But I don't want to see to try again. Yeah, and Q just garbage, as always. At least good news. I got win today, and I'm going to buy cheap Epix accounts. So we tested this 2-minute order block. 50% of this move up. It's slow now, of course. Like lots of people blew accounts this month. For a little bit. I know. I have bad relationship with NQ recently. Like silver SMT, I wouldn't say that's perfect, honestly, but sometimes it helps. So for gold, let me type in the chat. I use silver and like these two instruments for SMT. Guys, if you just joined, would like to participate in giveaway, fill the form. Two straight to fund accounts from Tradify for giveaway today. But what is your question, Coach Best? I'm probably miss this as well. Can you please um will you do, yeah, of course, of course. I will do more backtest. So I didn't see your message before. Your press. Copier, Replikanto. And it wasn't hard for me to get payouts, you know? I used to trade with trend drawdown. I didn't have any issue with this. How to join giveaway? Can you see pinned message in the chat? That's all you need to do. Oh, thank you so much for using the code. I'm going to buy as well. So right after Steam, just need to buy 20 accounts. Let's see if we run this higher to this resistance level. Why I'm aiming for this resistance level? Let me show you. I guess it's hourly chart. So normally when we have swing low and this swing low was broken by displacement like this, see guys? Displacement, huge down close candle. I would like to consider swing low basically all support as resistance. That's why I would like to see price going there today. It's struggling because of time. Well, I'm with Apex for the long time. Even when I wasn't like influencer, right? I never had any issue with them. I mean, like, of course I didn't have any problem with payouts, but it's okay, you know? It's 20 accounts, so I can scale there. I can build my buffer slowly, like to do like 2K payout, multiply by 20 accounts, it's a lot. I love Apex because they allow to trade 20 accounts, while other prep firms still don't have this option, right? But still, my top prop firms is my funded futures, Tradify, and Take Profit Trader. Epic side down. Yeah, I believe. Yeah, I see. It doesn't work. Lots of people trying to buy walls right now. Crazy shit. Come on. I cannot even like open their website. It's getting worse right now on NQ. Giveaway is going to be at 11. So I start this at 10. I'm going to do this until 11. No, I don't trade with top step anymore. You know, I had the problem to trade like a needed trader and a top step X at the same time. And then I didn't touch top step for a long time, like couple of months. So my account not active anymore there. So they stopped working with TradeAway, so no reason for me to trade TopStep X platform. I don't hate TopStep, it's okay. Like the great prop firm, but TopStep X is just not for me. Support is, I mean, yeah, not for me, I guess. Well, feels like I'm going to buy Apex later today, not after Steam, because site, I cannot even open the site yet. Yeah, I will announce winners on stream, then I will send you email, I hope right after stream, with your coupon code for your accounts. For your account. Two winners, two accounts. Yeah, lots of people trying to buy the accounts right now. It's down. Let's check YM real quick. Well, nothing to check on YM. YM is still more better than NQ and ES. I will probably full port Apex accounts tomorrow, like 3-5 minutes. It's not like full port, but it's still like right now site doesn't work, so to buy evaluation. Oh, it started working, okay. But I need to buy 20 accounts, so it's going to take lots of time. At least like 30 minutes to buy evals. Exactly. No news about M2 model indicator. No, not yet. Unfortunately. Yeah, I cannot even log in right now to Apex account, Apex dashboard. Yes, you always must use high time frame to at least anticipate the direction of the trend. Always. Since we got the test of New York Midnight Open on ES and NQ, I would like to see an attempt to offer the action. But the issue right now, we're trading above New York Midnight Open, like way above New York Midnight Open on NQ, while we barely broke above New York Midnight Open on ES, which feels like, at least for me, ES is more better than NQ. While NQ is bullish, like extremely bullish. Yes, M2 model for long on NQ. Guys, if you'd like to participate in giveaway, um, straight to fund accounts, just fill the form. Pinned message in the chat. Yeah, this SMT is crazy, I see. By the way, it's 2R, let's see, for this M2 model. Over here. I believe if it's going to retrace to this 2-minute fair value gap and offer displacement, it's going to be another entry for this trade to aim for new high of the day. $820, I believe. $820 is possible. It's only like 60 point stop loss. Come on, it's nothing. Only 60 point stop loss. But with the retracement to 2-minute fair value gap, displacement, it will offer like better stop loss. Maybe like 20 points. Full port 60 point stop loss. Love it. No, Epic's evaluation does not have consistency rule. You can pass this within like couple of seconds. I know, because it's CFD probably. Two different instruments. We also have M2 model for long on ES. It's hard to say like we have correlation between gold and NQ. Not really. But when market is okay, like normally NQ goes up, gold goes down. Gold goes up, NQ goes down. I did not have any issue with epics. But anyway, guys, I will buy 20 accounts to try to pass them for one day. Maybe I will like divide on groups like 10 accounts and 10 accounts. But I have a plan to trade like 3-5 minutes tomorrow. Let's see if I can pass this for one day, with one trade. I hope so. But I will buy 50k as always. It's easier to build a buffer. Like we need to trade in the direction of trend. And I could look, for example, for short, but look at this order block over here. With this order block, with this displacement down, which created this order block, we already hit New York midnight open. How low you would like to see at this point? I don't know. Like at this point, makes sense to look for the long from this New York midnight open level. I know, something like this, I guess. So for 50k account, 50k, 100k, and 150k, activation is going to be $85. 250k and 300k is going to be $37 only. I use exactly the same strategies that trade like normally, but just with bigger size. I need to make only 3k. If I'm going to trade, for example, gold tomorrow, I will see if I can get like 3k with one trade, a bit more. Yeah, epic side down, unfortunately. But the first trade using ICT Concept was in 2022. I was trading only ES, and it was just 5-minute unicorn setup. Not 1-minute chart, not 2 or 3-minute chart, 5-minute unicorn setup. Like breaker and fair value gap. That's it, nothing else. I didn't know about anything about NQ, and people started trading NQ when ICT started trading NQ. That's why we switched. Because when ICT traded ES, everyone traded ES. Good morning. So yeah. Gold was amazing. Perfect. I got 2 winners for the last 12 hours already. Tried to trade twice and got 2 winners. Happy with this. I will announce winners at 11. So if you see my pinned message in the chat, it's a Google form that you need to fill to participate in giveaway. Yesterday for Asia, I traded 2 minutes. They traded 15 micros. So I can take partials. I said the word, of course, most of the time. It's impossible to sit in front of a computer all day. Could you explain? Of course, ask. Oh, for evaluation, probably 3-5 minutes tomorrow. I will try. Maybe I will divide on groups, not like 20 accounts for one trade. Maybe like 10 accounts or 5 accounts. But it's going to be interesting. Because I never, ever was trying to pass evals on epics on gold. Let's see. It's going to be interesting. I have a video about models trade on gold on my YouTube channel. But guys, I'm going to full port. You don't need to do exactly the same. Yeah, I guess you asked this question at the beginning of Steam, and I asked you as well, what did you see at 7 p.m.? I saw nothing there. Just share with me what you saw there. Once again, I feel like YM and ES are bearish, but I would like to see NQ higher. Because I used to, like trade NQ and confirm my entry on NQ on ES, but ES and YM recently live their own life, like completely different markets with NQ, right? You saw 5-minute change in the state of delivery. Okay, but did you see that we still were trading inside consolidation? So nothing significant happened. And when I was checking the chart, I was like, okay, it's pretty much accumulation so far. And I will wait for manipulation to trade distribution, like obvious manipulation. Not just one tick sweep of a consolidation high. Like wasn't enough information. Initially, it wasn't enough information for me to short. It was not at 7 p.m. It was around like 7:30 or 7:40 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. Asia kill zone. I don't mind to steam Asia because gold is nice most of the time. I don't trade in Q during Asia kill zone because it's not worth it. But I don't mind. But it's still hard for me to find the time because normally I trade on my phone when I'm trying to put my kids to bed. But once I will find the way, I will steam Asia as well. But guys, from the next week, since Monday is holiday, from the next week, I will steam both sessions, AM and PM session. I will steam like lunch, but I will steam from Monday to Friday 2 sessions. Yes, exactly. So for 250K and 300K accounts, 90% off plus $37 activation fee. It's cheap. What did you miss? I know what you missed. All I said, like, ES looks bearish, YM looks bearish, and Q looks bullish. That's it. That's what I said. Yeah, of course. On gold, right? I have on NQ, 956. Okay, what is your question? Exactly, that's order block. That's right. 2-minute order block, which validates M2 model for long. When AM is garbage, lunch or PM is usually better. So I had pretty much solid performance during lunch, but since I take some losses during right after between 11 and 12 most of the time, I normally don't look at PM session anymore because I already feel like I don't know how to trade in Q. But if I'm going to focus, for example, on gold or CL during AM session and focus on ES and NQ during PM session, I guess it's going to be good performance for me. I can increase my win rate, total win rate across all accounts. I do swing trade. You talk too much. I mean, that's the reason of steaming? Nope. Once you pass your evaluation within 1 month, you don't need to pay for the second month, just activation fee. What's the best time to trade gold? You can check on my YouTube. I have video about this. Initially, it seemed like rude, but right now it doesn't. It seems cute. Okay, let me send the video of models that I trade on gold every single day. Today I took 2 trades using this model. 2 trades. 2 trades. It's only 15 minutes long video. And I'm working on a new video about, are you Russian? Yes. From Belarus, but yes. I'm working on a new video, so it will be backtest session. Show me your SMT settings, of course. Oh, my bad, sorry. Was trying to move this. How you learn English? By the way, I learn English only in the US. And I didn't like study English. I didn't read like, books, for example, like English books, how to learn English or something like this. But helped me just to communicate with people. Yeah, I know, like this Russian accent, so nothing wrong about this, right? It's normal weather, like 4 seasons. I mean, like, I remember, like, it's funny. I'm going to share with you. When I post video on YouTube, like any video, I don't care which one. When I see comments under my video about my accent, like bad comments, really bad comments, I always know who types this kind of comments. It's Russian people, Russian speaking people. I don't know why, but every single time when I see bad comments about my accent, I don't need even to like read their username. I know it's Russian person, Russian speaking person. And when I check their like username, 99.9% of the time that's Russian speaking people. Why? I know. 99.9% of the time, it's Russian people, Russian speaking people. Almost under every video that I post on YouTube, like this. I know I didn't say like the toxic, I don't understand why. I don't understand why they hate it. I mean, because I never ever saw like, even here in the chat, I never ever saw people actually hate this. American people hate this. I mean, any other people hate this, but Russian speaking people. Of course I ignore them. Just want to share with you. I don't understand this. Of course I ignore this. Just want to share, guys. Don't worry about me. Yeah, you just had to know this. So it's still running. I still would like to see higher on NQ, at least nothing invalidates this. Unfortunately, never did trace to 2-minute fair value gap, so I could try to engage in this trade. Because stop loss could be like at this swing low, like 15 points. When the giveaway in 2 minutes, I will announce winners. Then I will continue streaming. As inversion for value gap, yes, of course. I just prefer water block for some reason. Just love this more. Okay, let me open the Google form. Oh, I will full port tomorrow. It's epic. It's cheap. You can hate me for this, but I will full port tomorrow. Guys, if you just joined, would like to participate in giveaway for a straight to funded account from Tradify, fill the form. You have 1 more minute. Yeah, I will full port Epics because it's $18 per account, so it's okay. Exactly. Gold just did price action so far. Happy I closed here, you know? It could be so annoying to sit in this trade right now. Happy I closed that. 50k trade await. Wish me good luck. I will full port them tomorrow. I will try to probably full port 5 epics with gold and other accounts with NQ. I will not care about stop loss. I traded gold this morning and during Asia kill zone I have 2 winners. Yeah. If I'm going to fail, I will buy again. Just my goal is to pass this for Monday. $18 per account for 50k. $18. Worth to try to full port them. It's my dream to try to do this one shot 1 kill on CPI because it's like, I know, just set brackets and see how it goes. Yeah, I want to do this, but I believe we don't have CPI like this week. Yes, we don't have it. What about next week? Yeah, sale until September 2nd. Yeah, I will not be able to wait for this time this week. Okay, just try with bigger size. Yes, Apex allows to trade on news. Apex allows everything. Yeah, I mean, of course. I'm just going to like trade big size. Wish me good luck, as I said before. Here's Apex link. Yeah, I will try. If I'm going to fail, I will try again. 90% off right now. You can see on my screen, I guess so. Okay, guys, it's time to announce winners. Ready? Um, two winners today. How many people we have? Wow. Once again, 25k straight to funded. 32. I will try to send you email right after Steam. Here's the first winner. I don't know who is this, but congratulations. And second one, 72. Also not sure who is this. No, I didn't ask for numbers. Oh, I just don't want to show you someone's email, but let me see. Let me see how I can actually do this. It looks like this. Oh, sorry, guys. You got it. So, like, I have form. I will do screenshot it better. With names. And as you can see, I have number under each name. Don't worry, guys. I will do more giveaways. Fight. It's easy to say, hard to do. Don't worry, guys. I will do more giveaways next week. I still have TradeZella for giveaway because I know people want to backtest a lot. I will do 1 year subscription giveaway, TradeZella. I will do more my funded futures accounts. So don't worry. Not surprised again. Come on, I never ever want something in my life. Let me check YM real quick. YM still bearish. And Q is extremely bullish. Giveaway is a scam. I'm so sorry. I remember your birthday soon. You're welcome. Congratulations. Not generated. It's not scam. Interesting, but today in Q looks better. It's empty model right now playing here. So it's not even 2R just yet. 2R is going to be right at a new high of the day. Market is a scam. So congratulations. Never give up. Empty model works only on NQ and ES. I promised? You sure? Okay, let's see. I will steam next maybe 15 minutes. If it's going to trace with steam for a value gap. I saw like lots of people engage in this short, but I wouldn't say the short was okay. Only entry that we actually saw was here, nothing else. I mean, maybe we can retrace to steam for a value gap, it can be another entry, but that's it. I just see this entry. pretty balanced leg here, so I'm just trying to see where I can anticipate a potential continuation. I still would like to see higher to break this IM session buy side liquidity level. You engage in this short? You right now shorts in this market? And on Q? Oh, you actually can watch this video about this. I shared this like 1 week ago. That's M2 model. Another entry, I believe, is going to be if it's going to retrace to 2-minute free value gap, then another entry. My husband, like, not really like intraday trader, but yeah, sometimes. Trying to pump, but struggling. For what can happen for lunch, we actually can try to see if it's going to offer potential 30-minute sweep, and if so, I would like to see an attempt to retrace back to OT of this range, at least 50%. Tell your kids. Yeah, I can ask him. I can ask them, should I short or long? Yeah, just like announced 5 minutes ago. Pumping hard. Yeah, I'm going to finish soon because I don't feel well today at all. I don't really understand your question, like I mean Russian question, because I do giveaway of perfumes that I personally trade. French people, yes, I don't know some. Okay, guys. Yeah. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna buy 20 Apex accounts. Need to full port them tomorrow. So yeah, wish me good luck tomorrow. I will see you guys once again tomorrow morning for pre-market at 8:40 a.m. I will try to trade my fund accounts as well. Yeah, don't make stupid mistakes. Wait for setup and remember, trade smart, not hard, guys. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye.